I'm gonna show you pick and fire three things today. Pick and fire, day 3 play, which was the story something to know about it. It started from season 12 and also how to use English sound. Yeah, let's start with the sound here because there's a lot of noise here. So when I start with the audio here, this is where the sound is. So when I speak here, it's going to be a lot of noise. So I'll go to audio first. Lower the music so that you can hear my voice. I think it's clear now. Three things I'm going to teach here. Let's keep it this much for now. And this, if you press this, and let's start with control settings. See down bottom right, there is settings. Just press that. There are lots of options. Go to basic. Then go to pick and fire. If you enable this, then only you'll be able to pick and fire. It will appear on the left bottom. Yeah. And this is when you pick, it will scope automatic. So if you enable it, then only it scopes automatic. Or else if you disable it, will just pick. It won't open the scope. Very easy. And this is the new edition, season 12. That's replay. So basically, when you die, yeah, you'll be able to see how you died, how your enemy killed you. So if you enable it, you should be able to see it. It will appear on the bottom right where it says continue and go back to lobby. After all your teammate dies, you got to wait for your teammates to die though. Or if you're the last person to die, it's easy, you don't have to wait. So I hope so it's helpful, guys. And basically it's pretty easy things. Just scroll around and have a look. Yeah. And if you need any other help here, because I was a beginner like you guys, so I had a lot of problems. I still am learning. One more thing, try to enable aim assist. It helps you your bullets to hit the enemy quicker. Yeah. Have a good day. Please don't forget to give a like, and I don't mind if you subscribe me. That will be very helpful. And bell icon if you want. Anything will be very helpful. So you can see this is pick, and this is the scope open when you pick here. Scope opens, just like see here. Scope. If I disable this here,
team match, let's go.
Pick. It will open the scope. Get me what I'm trying to say. See here. This is when you speak. So, and that's tap. If you tap, then only it picks.
The blue team has scored for the first time!
And this is scope open. If you do hold here, so when you hold this, then you open the scope. When you release it, release this, then only it releases it here. See, hold it, then open the scope. If you release it, it's better to put in tap, I would say. Because tap is easy.
Reloading.
Bullets. Don't worry about it.
can hear his footstep. And with a punch him into his gun. What? Sold me. At the first time he got me. Then go back to Lord. That is it. That replay very easy.